In 1977, astronomers found our Milky Way is being pulled into the universe at 600 kilometers per second by an invisible force. Even stranger, every galaxy within hundreds of millions of light years is moving the same way. What exactly is hidden out there? When scientists measured the trajectory of the Milky Way, they were shocked to discover that our home is not drifting peacefully through the universe, but is instead being pulled by an invisible giant hand, racing toward the direction of the constellations Hydra and Centaurus. This force is so powerful it's suffocating. It is pulling a supercluster containing hundreds of thousands of galaxies, drawing them toward a point 220 million light-years away. Scientists have named this mysterious source of gravity the Great Attractor. But when they tried to observe it with telescopes, they found that the area was completely obscured by the dust and gas of the Milky Way, as if the universe had deliberately set up a barrier there to keep us from seeing the truth. It's chilling to think about what could be so powerful that it can pull hundreds of thousands of galaxies, and why does it hide in the shadows of the universe? In the 1990s, with breakthroughs in infrared and X-ray telescope technology, astronomers finally managed to pierce through that mysterious zone of avoidance. What they saw was far more astonishing than they had imagined. The area was not empty at all. Instead, there existed a supermassive galaxy cluster with a mass equivalent to tens of thousands of Milky Ways. Countless galaxies were gathered there, forming a gravitational trap on a cosmic scale. But the story doesn't end there. In 2006, scientists using more precise observations discovered that the Great Attractor itself was also being pulled by some force from even farther away. At a distance of 650 million light-years from us, there exists an even larger structure. The Shapley Supercluster, whose mass is more than 10 times that of the Great Attractor. And in 2014, an even more astonishing discovery emerged. All of these structures are converging toward a gigantic cosmic network known as the Laniakea Supercluster. It's like a Russian nesting doll with one layer inside another. Every time we uncover a mystery, we find an even deeper secret. The gravitational structure of the universe is far more complex than we ever imagined. Even more astonishing is that this cosmic-scale migration has been going on for billions of years. Our Milky Way, our solar system, and our Earth have been racing along this invisible path since the very beginning of their existence. And this journey will continue for billions more years, until all galaxies eventually merge together under the force of gravity. But even that is not the end. Dark energy in the universe is causing it to expand at an accelerating rate, and those galaxies far enough from us are receding at speeds faster than light. One day in the future, when we look up at the night sky, we may only be able to see the galaxies within our own local group, while the rest of the universe will have vanished forever beyond our reach. The phenomenon of the Great Attractor reveals an even deeper mystery. The gravity of visible matter alone cannot account for such an immense pulling force. Scientists speculate that there must be something in that region. There exists a vast amount of dark matter. This mysterious substance, which makes up 85% of the universe's mass, yet cannot be seen or touched, is the true force behind the scenes. Dark matter is like the skeleton of the universe, weaving a massive web with its gravity, and galaxies are merely the nodes attached to this web. The brilliant starry rivers we see are just the tip of the iceberg of this dark empire. Standing on Earth, we can't feel this cosmic scale dash, but it truly exists. Every second, we are moving 600 kilometers closer to that mysterious abyss. This is a journey that cannot be stopped, a destiny that cannot be changed.